I'll show you exactly how to remove or update a bank account on your PayPal profile. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. You can remove a bank account easily from either the PayPal mobile app or the desktop website. On the PayPal app, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the bank you want to remove. Scroll to the bottom and tap Remove. Confirm the removal and it will be instantly deleted from your profile. On the desktop website, click Wallet at the top of the page. Click on the bank you wish to delete from the left-hand sidebar. Then click Remove Bank at the bottom of the bank details section. If you need to edit your bank because you got a new account, follow this strategy to keep your account active. Before deleting the old one, go to your wallet and select Link a Bank. Use your bank's login credentials to link it instantly. This ensures there's no gap in your ability to send or receive money. Once the new bank is added, click on it and select Set as Preferred. This tells PayPal to use this account for all future transactions. Now that your new preferred method is active, follow the removal steps to delete the old account. If the Remove button is grayed out or you get an error message, it's usually because of these 3 security blocks. If you have a transfer that says pending or processing, PayPal locks that bank account until the money has cleared. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. If you have an active subscription like Netflix or Spotify, and this is your only linked bank, PayPal won't let you remove it until you link a new backup source. If your account has a red flag or a limitation, you cannot change any financial data until you resolve the issue in the Resolution Center. Remember, PayPal uses an automated name match system. If you're trying to link a new bank and the legal name on that bank account doesn't match your PayPal profile exactly, the linking will fail. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.